In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a wonderful presentation in PowerPoint. As you can see here, I have added this image where you can see here the beach and the sun is rising, and when I click, the text will reveal from backside of this the water, or you can call it horizon. So when I click, you can see here the text comes, never stop exploring the world. And when I click, it will come back to come to the left side, and then I've added 3 pictures for the beach, nature and desert. And when I click, it will give more information of the beach, then nature, and then desert. So let me just click now. So you can see here the background got changed. I've put the images here. You can type the heading, the detailed text, and you can see here the focus is on the beach, and the nature and desert are gray images, or the black and white or monochrome images. You can see here the grayscale, and when I click, the focus will go to the nature. The background changes. Here you can see here the bigger text, the title and the detailed text, you can add it here, and when I click, it will move to the desert. Okay, so you can see here this is how the transition works. Please share, like and subscribe my channel, and the only channel on YouTube for PowerPoint where you can get 1000 plus free templates absolutely free. And I have provided the link on the video description section of each video, and you can support my channel through PayPal or Patreon. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide, and I've inserted this image from the unsplash.com, and here is the URL. I have provided the URL, and you can use this URL to download this image. Let me just delete this one, and then I'm going to fit this particular image to the slide area. So the thing is, if I drag it, you can see here it is going beyond the slide area. You can see here. All right, so to overcome this issue, what we need to do is we have to go to the picture format, crop, aspect ratio, select 16:9, and some part of the image will cut. No issues with that one. Just click outside, and now bring it here and then drag it, so it fit perfectly to the slide size. All right, again, if you like to make it more close up, for example, I would like to increase the size so that it should something like this, then you need to crop this further. So now if I just select this one, crop, you can see here till this area I'm cropping, and from the bottom also till this area I'm cropping. So it is kind of a more close-up image. Okay, so the next thing which I would like to do is to add the text. So go to insert text box. Here I'm going to type, for example, explore the world, or any other text you can give, and the font I'm going to use is Oswald, and I'm going to give a kind of a blue color, dark blue color. Center align, increase the size. You can see here, increase the size, make it bold, and I'm going to place it here. The next thing which I would like to do is to add a animation effect to it. For that, go to the animations, enable the animation pane. I'm going to select the animation which is fly in. It comes something like this. The thing or the trick which I would like to do is this particular text should come from behind this water. All right, you can see this horizon, from that particular part it should come. But how to come that one, I cannot do that one. If I send this to back, it will go beyond backside of the image, and it will not be visible. So to overcome this issue, what we need to do is you have to follow a very simple trick. So what the trick is, select the image, press Ctrl D to duplicate. All right, go to the picture format, align center, align middle. The next thing which I would like to do is I would like to cut this image, the half image, and the top image I would like to cut it. Okay, I want to keep the bottom image, the water only. Okay, the sky I would like to cut from this. To do that one, go to insert shapes, and from the lines I'm going to select the freeform shape. So here you can see here, starting like this, I'm just selecting exactly on top of the water. All right, and then select here and join this one. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this image, hold the shift key, select this freeform shape which looks kind of a rectangle, Then go to the shape format, merge shape, and I'm going to make it intersect. The moment I make it intersect, you can see here I have got this image here. All right, so press Ctrl Z and then make sure to bring this to front. All right, now if I play, it comes, you can see here, behind the waters. Okay, and double click this one and I can just make it a smooth start and bounce end, and the timings I'm going to make it a slow or a medium and click OK. And how it works is, you can see here, when I click, it comes something like this, and it looks like the text comes, you know, from this horizon. All right, so now let's see the next step to make a more attractive slides. The next step is I'm going to duplicate this slide. Right mouse click and click on the duplicate slide. Come here to the second slide and delete this the image which we have cut. So I'm going to select this one and delete this one. And animation from the second slide, make sure to delete any animation from the second slide. And this text, I'm going to reduce the font size. All right, and I'm going to bring it here, explore the world. All right, and then I'm going to play it. Okay, and before that one, go to the transition and select the morph transition. All right, and then I'm going to make this as 1 second only. So if you see here, now what happens is when I click, the text will reveal. Okay, and then when I click, it becomes small and comes to the left side. Now the next thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 more images here. For that, go to insert shapes. I'm going to select the rounded corner rectangle, draw a rounded corner rectangle depending on the requirement. I'm going to make it less curved and I'm going to put it here. And shape outline, I'm going to make it no outline, and I would like to insert the image of a kind of a beach, desert, or some nature, etc. Okay, so now select this one, go right mouse click, go to the format shape, under picture or texture fields you can select this option, and here by default I have added this image. That's the reason image is there. Or you can just go to insert, either you can insert the image from your local PC, or you can just choose the stock images or online pictures. So I'm going to click the online pictures. For this you need to have an active internet connection, and here I'm going to type beach. Okay, and then you can see here I've got a wide variety of images, so depending on that one I can just select any image for my beach. Okay, so let me just select this one, click insert, and you can see here the image of the beach has been selected. And here because I have used these properties, that's the reason it is showing here. So make sure this is always 0, and later on if you want we can just do some changes here. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this one by holding the Ctrl Shift key, and then here I would like to add some nature. For that, again go to the fill, insert, online pictures, and I'm going to choose nature, type nature, and choose again some nice images from this particular the images, online images here. So I'm just going to choose some nice image. So let me just choose any random image here. Okay, so let me just select this one and click insert, and the image got inserted. And then I'm going to add one more image for the deserts. All right, again go insert, online pictures, and I'm going to type desert here. All right, and then choose any good image depending on your requirement. So maybe I will choose this one and click insert, and you can see here the image of desert also added. The next thing which I'm going to do is give a label to each. So here I will just say beach. All right, I'm going to make the font as white, Oswald, any font of your choice you can choose. Center align, increase the size. This is beach. All right, and then hold the Ctrl Shift key, add here. This is, I will just say nature, and then hold the Ctrl Shift key, bring it here, and this is desert, and if it is not visible you can just give some different color also. So you can see here beach, nature and desert. So again if I play the slide, so it comes here and then suddenly this the images are coming here. So I would like these images also to have some animation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all these 3 images with the text, Control C, go to the slide, the first slide, and Control V, paste it, bring it down outside the slide area. All right, now I'm going to select this text only and move it on top of the slide area, okay, which should not be visible. Now what happens if I play explore the world, and then this comes up, you can see here the animation looks very smooth animation. All right, so you can see here I have added this one. Now we will give detail of each one, beach, nature and desert, some different text or different images also you can add to this. Now let's duplicate this slide. Now right mouse click, duplicate the slide. I'm going to move this text outside, or I'm just going to, for the time being I'm going to make it outside and later on I'm going to bring it back. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this beach here, text, nature here, all right, and then desert here. All right, and the text, sorry, the image, I'm going to reduce the font size to the smaller one, put it here. You can see here this is my beach, and this one I'm going to put it, all right, for the nature, and then this one for the desert. Reduce the image size, okay. You can see here the height and width should be equal. So let me just, yeah, I think this is okay. So now what I'm going to do is let me just arrange it properly. So now here this is the beach, okay. So when I click to this slide, the beach should come here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this image, okay, to a new image, okay. So for the beach, a different beach image. So press Ctrl D to duplicate this slide, okay. Go to the share picture format, change picture. I'm going to select online picture, and here I'm going to make it a different image selection. All right, so again I'm going to type beach, and again depending on the requirement choose some nice beach image. Maybe I'm going to choose either this or some other image also, which I check whether it's anyway, I don't see it here. So again I can just choose any, maybe this image, okay, and click insert, and the image is inserted. What you need to do is don't do anything to this image, keep it as it is. Now this image, select this one and send this back, okay. So it looks like this, and this text which I've moved it here, bring this to front, and I'm going to type big beach, all right, with a white font, and increase the size. You can see here beach, and then you can add some detailed text to it. Insert text box equals LOREM within bracket 1, some detailed text I'm adding here. This also white font, center align, and again if you like to reduce the font size, it's up to you, okay. And then these 2 images, okay, so let me just move it a little bit. These 2 images, what I'm going to do is I'm going to the picture format, artist, sorry, change color, make it a grayscale, okay, this one grayscale, and here also this is the grayscale. Why I'm doing that one? Just so that our focus is on the beach, okay. So now if I play from the beginning again, you can see here explore the world, the text comes here beach, and this becomes beach here. You can see here with the big one. All right, Okay, so here also, for example, sometimes what happens here, this explore the world and this beach is not the morphing is happening. So what you need to do is you have to select this text, all right, and go to the selection pane. Here you have to give the name starting with 2 exclamation. Okay, heading, all right, and the same name I'm going to copy it here for this beach as well. All right, okay, so now if you see here, if I select this one, so you can see here this one, the explore the world becomes the beach. You can see the transition. All right, so that way you can use the simple trick. All right, so now this is done. Now I'm going to duplicate this slide, right mouse click, duplicate the slide. Now my focus will be on the nature. Okay, so I'm going to make this as a white font, and this one, the color, I'm going to give a reset picture, becomes color, and this one I'm going to make it grayscale. Okay, and this one, let me just make it a dark blue so that my focus is here, and this beach becomes nature. All right, and then again nature, I would like to change it here and bring the image, the text here. And what you need to do is you need to duplicate this one by pressing Ctrl D. Again, don't do anything for the back image. So select this image, go to the picture format, change picture. From online source, I'm going to type nature here. Okay, so you have to understand how each step, again if you miss some steps, it will be difficult for you to follow. Okay, so I'm going to select this image, click insert. All right, and I'm going to, now the problem with this image is it's not fitting to that slide area. For that you need to crop, aspect ratio, make it 16:9, and then make sure that this is fitting here. Okay, then send this to back. All right, and this text is not visible. I'm going to keep it here and something like this, right aligned. All right, so now if I do from the beginning, the text comes, then it comes explore the world, this is the beach, you can see here, then it goes to the nature like this, you can see here, nature, beach, explore the world, and here there is a transition problem is there. Again we need to give the same name. Remember that one we have given that exclamation heading. All right, so same here also we need to give, and here already it is there. So again let me just play. So when I click, it will reveal, it comes here, then the beach, it is changing to the nature. You can see here the smooth transition, how it is happening. Now the same thing you can apply for the third one, which is the desert also. You can just change that one the way I have explained you. You can just follow the simple steps.